All right, what's going on, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader, and I'm here to share my thoughts on Bitcoin market today with you. Just want to give you a quick update. So let's jump in. Don't forget this isn't financial advice. All right. Don't forget it's also the beginning of the month, and it's a great time to join the Jim of All Trades trading group. So, it's really designed to help you grow as a trader, to learn not to FOMO, learn to control your fear, hope, and greed, as well as to you be around other traders, as well as understand why I take trades, why I sit out of trades, and things of that nature. I share all my trades there. All right, so if you'd like to be a part of that, description, look at the description, become a Patreon supporter, and we'll get you right into the group. All right. Let's jump in here. Um, so we have what I believe is an impulse wave to the downside, but this is questionable. So this conclusion right here, for this to be an impulse wave, is questionable. Could be a three-wave move, hard to interpret there. What I noticed is that it didn't really come down to any significant structure here, and that's concerning to me. Okay, so right there, not really significant structure to really stop that wave, but we've had a bounce and then a weekend sideways, and we're probably getting our weekend pump here. Probably going to come on up here, I would guess, retesting some of these levels. Maybe not, but it looks like she wants to for sure. Um, so every time we stop at a key level, it just pumps through it. So we get a reaction because traders are taking a reaction there at key levels. Let me show you why this went down and then is pumped back through. Right here, when we have this wave and this wave, these are corrective waves. This stopped at the 1-to-1 extension. Let me get it right on here. There we go, right there. This stopped at the 1-to-1 extension to the tick and came down correctively. So this went up correctively in a three-wave move, and so that tells me that this whole thing is a corrective type wave. Okay, okay. Well, I'm trying. There we go. There's a three-wave move that's corrective. Okay. Um, this looked debatably impulsive to the downside. It really doesn't look three-wave-ish. Maybe you can consider that as a three waves. On the smaller time frames, I can actually count a five-wave move in there. It's hard to tell. If that's a five-wave, then this wave right here cannot surpass that level. We need to be going down from here. Okay, so that's something I'm thinking about. If we break this high right here, if we break this high right there, that line right there, then guys, this was not an impulse to the downside at all. This is just some kind of corrective wave, and then we're going to make it continuing up to make more correction. Okay, but it started off correctively, which would lend me to think we got some more correction to come. Okay, so if it goes up any higher, let's see where we would head here. Let me just change the fibs. My dog is barking back there, poor thing. There we go. Man, the 1-to-1 extension is right here at 93.70. I would hate for price to get up there. That would make me sick, to be honest with you. But it could come up here correctively, and that would give us really a three-wave move to the upside. If it goes beyond, let's see here. Let me go back. If we make it beyond, guys, 93.80 to 9400, guys, if we break this top, guys, you know, it could be a flat that's being created. That's a possibility. This would have to be interpreted as Elliott wave would require that this would be a three wave. This would be a three wave that breaks the high, and then we get a five wave down. Okay, and that's could be what's forming right now. We could get a flat, so it'd be a three, and then we get just a big straight move to the downside. So that's possible, I suppose. All kinds of possibilities here, guys. But right now, it's looking corrective, which tells me eventually we're going to get a dumpy move soon. Now, if it breaks this high, then look for 93.70. Then we're looking for that's the 1-to-1 extension of this particular wave off of here. So look for 93.70 ballpark, and then look for double top or even just to break the top before we come on. Before we get a dumpy move. Now, why do I believe it's a dumpy move? Well, the big consideration, two of them. Number one, I can make a case for an impulse off the top, but that's a weak case. the stronger case is that I have a three-wave move to the upside. That would imply more downside. That's exactly what that would imply. More downside to come. That doesn't mean we're going down to the bottom necessarily. I just think the next structure zone, the key structure zone, is right here. We're going to come back and retest this area. It would seem to me that we need to come back and retest the top of this wave before so we can gather a base and continue on to the upside if it's going to be bullish. Okay, now I'm not going to go through the macro count. I'll work on that tomorrow night during Sunday night charts, but right now just looking at the micro count here and where we expect immediate price action, I'm personally expecting price action to not break the high or come up to a double top but barely, but I'm expecting a dumping move to the downside to hit about $7,800. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm expecting. We'll see. I hate price action on the weekends. It's really a bummer. It's just kind of bumpy and shady. I just don't like it, but it is what it is. And we got to trade around it. So that's the market we live in. All right, you guys have a great day. That's what I'm looking at. If you want more round the clock kind of information, I keep the Telegram group up to date. Every time there's a need, they're up to date. Yeah, many updates through the day, answering questions all the time. If you just need that kind of support and chart analysis on a regular basis, that's what you'll get in the trading group. I'm committed to making that group a great place to be. There's in the very near future, we're going to have a Forex trading room where during live London session and New York session, first couple of hours of each, we're going to actually have a live trading room that'll be part of the subscription as well. So that you'll be able to see exactly my screen, my trades. We'll talk about good analysis there, and it'll be a great place to be. So that's coming. Jim of All Trades Trading Room is growing, going full time here in the next several months. I don't know when, but we're trying to position ourselves to go full time. But until then, you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that analysis was at least a little helpful to you, and we'll bring some more analysis tomorrow. Don't forget Sunday night charts tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern time. All right, we will talk to you later.